Hey guys, we got 3 pounds of chicken wings and we're gonna air fry it and make some blue cheese dip to go with it. Oh my god, what the f— Alright, so here's the finished product and let's see how it tastes. So I think it was really good. It wasn't too spicy and it was really crispy, so it's a thumbs up from me. Alright, let's try it with the sauce now. Alright, we're gonna give one to my friend Chris and we're gonna see what he thinks about it. Alright, Chris.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, try the swing.
That's pretty good. Can I have more?
Yeah. Wait, let me bring you dip. Let me bring you the dip, man.
What, there's dip too? What's this?
Yeah, try it out.
Give me more.
Okay, okay. So you like it?
Mm-hmm.